Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by John W Lenau in 1877. You can see that white has the king, queen, bishop, knight and rook. Black has the king, 3 pawns and the queen and the bishop. It's white's turn. Can you see the Checkmate in 2? If you move the knight to d6 to check the king, the pawn can just take it back. You can then check with the bishop, but black can advance the pawn. And taking the pawn with the bishop gives you a checkmate in 3, but not 2. If you move the knight to f6 to check the king, the queen can take it back, then the rook can take the queen. Black does something like move the bishop, then you get a checkmate in 3 by moving the white bishop to c6, but not a checkmate in 2. There's another checkmate in 3 if you move the bishop to b5. Black tries to move their bishop, you can check with the queen. King has 1 escape square, but then you can move the queen back in to checkmate in 3. You get another checkmate in 3 by moving the bishop to a4. Black moves their bishop, you can move the queen to c2, and if the king moves up to d5, you can then checkmate with the bishop. If the king moves to e3, you can then checkmate with the rook. Only in 3, not 2. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, what you need to do is move the rook to f6. If black pushes the c-pawn, you can then take it with the bishop to checkmate in 2. If black pushes the g-pawn, you can still move the bishop to c6 to checkmate in 2. And if black takes the rook with the queen, you can take it back with the knight to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's it in this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.